Fellow YouTube watchers. Um, Today, right now, it's like 23 degrees. It's very cold outside, and I wanted to put a block heater. So I have this magnetic block heater from Cats. Um, I just wanted to point out that they do heat up pretty good. Not, I mean, right now it's pretty warm, but I just wanted to point out that if the best option for you is use this block heater, which I have used just a couple of days in the past, and I also use the best apparatus to work on your vehicle to warm up your oil under the pan, the motor oil. I use this blower fan. It works better than the Cats. If you just lean it against the oil pan, just leave it on there and put it on full heat. Trust me, I guarantee you it works better than the block heater. I also use this curly iron if you want to use this, but I usually use all three of them, and you just plug it in a three-way cord like I have here. So I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. I have my Jeep Liberty right here. It's pretty high. As you can see, this is the Jeep Liberty. It's a 2002, and if you're one of those guys that like taking care of your vehicles, okay, this is what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get in underneath. Okay, and right now this is the motor oil pan, and what I do is now I'm gonna stick this is the Cat magnetic heater. I'm gonna put it right here. You see it's magnetic, as you can see. Just put it in there. Now also gonna put the curly iron. As you can see, you can get this anywhere cheap in a flea market. I have a little magnetic block here. It's magnetic. I just put it right there. You can see with the magnetic, you can see right there sticking to the magnet. And then what I do is I grab my blower. It's a hair dryer. What you do is I just lean it. You can see I just find a way to lean it there. As you can see, it's pretty hard. Just gotta work around it. Let me see. There you go. You can see, just stick it on the side. So I got the magnetic block heater and the curly iron, and now I'm gonna plug all that in here. So I'm gonna plug it just fell. Give me a break here. Let me see. You can see. Leave it there. You can see it's just. Now, as you see, I put all three devices, but with the blower, just leave it there for maybe 1 to 1.5 hours, and it'll warm up the oil. And as soon as it warms up the oil, you can start your vehicle. But you leave your block heater, the Cat, you can leave it overnight. Just unplug the blower and the curly iron, and leave the magnetic heater all night. And then in the morning, what you do is you turn the blower and the curling iron for 1.5 hours, and that's it, my friends. You don't have to be spending hundreds of dollars on other items that you don't really need. This is just a simple way to do it. Subscribe to my channel, and good luck with your endeavors. And that's it, folks.